During the holiday season, many customers look for a complete home decor solution. Today, we've built the perfect 6B solution. These products complement each other perfectly. Let's take a look. First, the classic 7-foot Christmas tree. It features over 1,500 branch tips for an incredibly full and realistic look, a perfect green canvas for customers to get creative. For a more modern feel, this light-up birch tree is a stunning choice. 440 warm LEDs are artfully embedded in the branches, ready to create a brilliant display with just a remote. Next, drape the entire space in festive warmth with this classic LED curtain light. Designed with Christmas tree shapes and spanning 3.5 meters, it's perfect for creating a photo-worthy, dreamy backdrop. The magic is in the details. This 3D wooden Christmas village is like a miniature fairytale world. When its built-in LED lights are switched on, it instantly adds a touch of quiet, vintage storytelling to the home. And this 3D wooden puzzle night light turns decorating into a fun, creative journey. It's a highly attractive gift that provides a great sense of accomplishment, and the final result is a cozy night light. And finally, bring real warmth into the home. This tabletop fireplace, with its safe, real flame, doesn't just roast marshmallows, it sparks the joy of holiday gatherings. What you've seen is a complete holiday sales solution that encourages customers to buy the whole set. The peak season is here. Add this collection to your store and offer your customers the holiday inspiration they're looking for.